Hello, my dear friends. Here I am once again to introduce to you Reverend Father Gnana Prakash Dilip. He is currently the Dean of Studies in our institution at Don Bosco, Tumkur. He will speak to us on addictions and various types of addictions that young people are suffering from today. Over to Father Dilip.
Hello dear friends, the topic of today's discussion is one of the common addictions found among both the young as well as the old, that is internet addiction. The internet can provide access to some valuable tools, interesting stories, exciting games and informative content. But when used in excess, the internet has the ability to interfere with work, life, relationships and daily routines. Internet addiction is described as an impulse control disorder which does not involve use of intoxicating drug and is very similar to pathological gambling. Learning about the causes and symptoms of this growing epidemic can help you to detect a problem early on and find help. The following are some of the internet addiction disorder symptoms. First of all, feeling preoccupied with the internet, feeling a desire to use the internet for increased amount of time, having a kind of a lack of control in efforts to stop the using of internet, feeling restless, irritable, depressed or otherwise moody when not using the internet, staying in online longer than you originally intended, lying to friends, family members and others about the true amount of time that you spend on the internet, isolating yourself from friends and family members to spend online, becoming defensive about your time spent on the internet, using the internet as a way of escaping reality and escaping problems, and finally, experiencing the ecstatic feelings when involved in the internet activities. The experts say that if you are able to identify with any 5 in this list, then it is an indication of an internet addiction. So dear friends, let us now look into different types of internet addiction disorders. An addiction to the internet can come in various forms. Let us now look at some of them. First of all, net compulsion. That is a kind of a compulsive and obsessive use of the internet that interferes with your work or home, study, relationships and so on. Secondly, cyber sex addiction, that which leads you to watch internet pornography and things of that sort. Thirdly, cyber relationship addiction, giving priority to virtual relationships over real life relationships. And fourthly, general computer addiction, that is obsessively being in front of the computer, not necessarily online. And fifthly, compulsive web surfing, obsessively interested in finding out the lot of knowledgeable things that is there. And finally, we can discuss about what are some of the causes of this internet addiction that we find in the society today. People become addicted to internet for numerous reasons. First of all, it could be for a self-medication for a mental health disorder. When people feel that they are depressed, anxious, they have recourse to the internet. Secondly, there are some informative addicts. People addicted in order to gain lot of knowledge that is available and they are attracted to this and they are called as internet knowledge informative addicts. And thirdly, anxiety can cause some people to withdraw from all the rest of the activities to go to use the internet. And fourthly, we have the aspect of loneliness which leads people because they feel kind of a void within themselves and they have recourse to the internet. And fifthly, people feel that they have to get rid of a lot of other addictions that are there in their life, so the best way is to go to the internet. And what are the different effects of this internet addiction? We see both kind of a psychological, physiological symptoms we see when people get addicted. Internet addicts struggle to control their behavior. Their addiction results in personal, family, academic and financial problems that are characteristics of other addictions. There are impairments of real life relationships which are disrupted as a result of excessive use of the internet. Being addicted to the internet, people can also feel some physical discomfort or medical problems such as dry eyes, back aches, severe headaches, eating irregularities, failure to attend to the personal hygiene, and finally, sleep disturbances. So dear friends, as I conclude the session today, my suggestion for all of you is to examine your own internet usage in the light of today's inputs. Find out whether you are also balanced in the use of internet, which is very essential today, or whether you are also one among those who is struggling with internet addiction. Wish you all the best. Thank you.